Hey guys, today's November 1st of 2015. I want to go over the Aussie dollar using price and time technical analysis, so please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Looking at the commitments of trader report, I wanted to show you the big picture on the price action on the Aussie. You can see right here as of October 2008, this is our monthly. It was a nice little chop fest, and then you can see that things change. Large speculators were going long, and commercial were hedging. Retail was kind of flat. Not that much, volume behind them, but the large speculators were buying. Pulled back, and then we go back up again. You can see the price action goes up. We go kind of sideways, 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 and somewhere around here the sentiment changed. Now you can see that commercial started shorting. I'm sorry, not shorting, hedging. So they were going long, and large speculators were shorting. So they kept going, and kind of here it looked like things maybe changed. We found a bottom, but got that nice fat monthly candle. Things change again, and commercial started hedging, and large speculators started shorting again. You can see retail kind of went with momentum too after I guess seeing this whole downside. And we're coming now to where we at now, and let's see if this catches up. Is it a bottom? I don't know. See, it's kind of going sideways right here. We put a low September 4th around there, put a wave up, put a wave down, failed New York, shot up, pull back down. So we got to see, maybe we'll continue pushing up. If we take out this high here, it could probably continue going higher, but commitments of trader hasn't been reflecting that, so it'll be interesting to see how it pans out. Let's look at our weekly, and if we take all these indicators off, we can even take these white lines are monthly pivots, so you can see that this was support, resistance, and now here is support, and these are weekly. So let's see, maybe it could come down and retest this here. But if you hide all these drawings, maybe you could do a little trend line and see what's going on here. It could probably push all the way down here, or it could just continue holding this from right there. So it'd be interesting to see if we respect that trend line there. Let's add our drawings. There goes my dog barking. So these are the monthly pivot levels to watch. You got a trend line going up. Let's see how it respects that this week. As you can see, we got a PPS buy signal, and then we pulled back the last 3 weeks. We just couldn't get above the 20 simple moving average, and found support right here at this monthly pivot. Still in the chop fest zone. We're kind of selling off right now since the market opened, but we need to get above this angle right here in order for us to have some conviction for buying. As of right now, it's not looking good. My system is like really slow today. Here, let's remove this drawing. So that's that. Let's see if it cracks down through here. There's going to be some support right here. Look at the daily. You can see that it's at the value area low, which is at 70.65. If it pushes down here and finds support, know that this is going to be in the cloud, so prices are going to be erratic. There's a resistance level right there, 71.59, and this it's kind of like a 50% level, 71.76. The future's looking positive on the Aussie, looking at the Ichimoku cloud, but it's kind of just narrowing down. So let's see how that pans out. Looking at this chart, it could be a buying opportunity since they got this nice pullback to maybe retest and try to shoot higher. So looking at the linear regression, I'll be watching to see if we could get positive here, maybe tomorrow. if we could hold this and just chop sideways here, maybe tomorrow night get a nice little pop, because you can see the indicators are pushing higher. We got a buy signal here. It's kind of choppy. It's kind of leading us that prices want to go higher, but we're stagnant right here in this linear regression channel. And let's look at the big picture. You can see we kind of overbought on the 12-hour. Got a buy signal here. Could, snap back down. That's why you're seeing price action pull back. So the bulls might want to retest this low and push, but if they fail and they push higher, it could probably be a buying opportunity right here. We're close to the lows, which is 69.05, and we've been holding this level since the last 2 days. But it's kind of weak on the weak side. This is weak. This is kind of weak. This shows a lot of weakness. Bulls not showing commitment, but we still got our PPS buy signal. We're just losing momentum when you look at it on the daily and the 12-hour. But on the weekly, you can see that it's showing strength, divergence, just sideways here. And on the monthly, in the last 2 months, we've just been holding this level right here. And we finally got a buy signal or positive confirmation on the TTM squeeze. Positive confirmation here. I have it on the mobile, on the TTM. It just has to push higher, pretty much just get out of the zone. This level right here, that's the 87.5 right here from the low on the weekly. So let's see how it pans out, but I'll keep an eye on the Aussie dollar.